Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn colors. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is red. See this red balloon?
Apple is red. Car is red. Strawberry is red. Yes, red. Yay! Great job!
This is yellow. Look at the yellow in the rainbow.
Bus is yellow. Duck is yellow. Pencil is yellow. Yes, yellow! Yay! Yellow!
Is purple. Look at all these beautiful purple butterflies.
Octopuses are purple. Star is purple. Juice is purple. Yes, purple. Hooray, purple!
This is green. See this green balloon?
Dinosaur is green. Broccoli is green. Frog is green. Yes, green. Hooray! Green!
This is pink. See these beautiful pink flowers.
Pig is pink. Umbrella is pink. Ice cream is pink. Yes, pink! Wow, pink! This is blue. Blue whale toy is blue. Crayon is blue. Fish is blue. Yes, blue! Wow, blue is fun!
This is orange. Look at these yummy oranges.
Balt is orange. Marigold flower is orange. Fox is orange. Yes, orange! Great! Orange!
This is brown. See this soft brown teddy bear.
Bear trunk is brown. Chocolate muffin is brown. Train is brown. Yes, brown. Yay, brown.
This is black. See this cute black cat.
Pirate hat is black. Chalkboard is black. Spaceship is black. Yes, black. Wow, black.
This is white. Look at this fluffy white snow.
Snowman is white. Sheep is white. Cloud is white. Yes, white!
Awesome work, kids! You did a fantastic job learning your colors today. And see you again for more fun. Bye-bye!